Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch to help improve energy for the day ahead. Let's begin seated, sitting tall, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. We'll do that a few more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, reach up overhead. As you exhale, plant the left hand beside you. Right hand reaches up and over for a side stretch. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. We'll continue syncing breath with movement. We'll inhale, reach. Exhale, gently release. We'll go ahead and come to a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. We'll come to a neutral spine, tucking the toes and sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here. Just taking a moment to feel out the pose. No worries about straightening the legs. Keep the legs bent. You could bend one, bend the other. Walk it out. We'll inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, coming right into your half lift. Come up as high as you need. As you exhale, taking your fold, feel free to bend the knees. Grabbing opposite elbows for ragdoll. Allow the head to be heavy. No tension in the neck. On your inhale, come to standing, reaching the hands up overhead. As you exhale, take the hands to heart center. Inhale, the hands reach up. As you exhale, take your fold. Inhale, half lift. As you exhale, step the left foot back. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead, high lunge. Embrace the wiggles and shakes. No worries. Full inhale. As you exhale, opening up towards your left, warrior two. Left toes pointed towards the left side of the mat. Inhale, flip your right palm, reach it forward. As you exhale, take a side stretch, reaching that right hand up and overhead. As you exhale, transitioning, planting the left hand to the mat. Inhale, right hand reaches up for a twisted lunge. Exhale, plant the right hand, step it back, plank, lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift. As you exhale, take your fold, option to bend the knees, honor the body here, listen to the body. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping the right foot back this time. Embrace the wiggles. Inhale, high lunge. Take your time. Exhale, opening up towards your right, warrior two. Inhale, flip your left palm, reach it forward. As you exhale, reach it up and over. Exhale, planting the right hand to the mat. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, plant the left hand, step it back, plank. Lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out. Take a moment here. Go ahead and plant the knees, sending the hips towards your heels for child's pose. Option to place pillows underneath the hips, just between the hips and the heels, or even underneath the torso for a little more height and support. Taking a moment here to just be. Acknowledge the body, acknowledge how the arms are feeling, how the legs are feeling. Maybe observing the breath. And maybe with your exhales completely letting go. So just surrendering here into the pose. Gently release, inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. We'll cross our ankles, coming to our seat. Planting the right heel beside the left hip, and you can plant the left foot on the inside or the outside of the right knee. Inhale, right hand reaches up. As you exhale, take your twist, placing the right elbow or the hand to the outside of that left knee. Inhale to sit tall. As you exhale, soften the shoulders. Gently release. We'll switch sides. Left heel resting beside the right hip, right foot to the inside or outside of the left knee. Sitting tall, inhale, reaching that left hand up. As you exhale, take your twist, planting the left hand to the right knee or the elbow to the right knee. Inhale, sitting tall, grounding into both sit bones here. As you exhale, softening the shoulders. And we'll gently release. Take a moment. Planting both feet on the mat. Gently begin to lean back or grabbing the backs of your thighs. We'll go ahead and lift the feet so that the ankles are parallel with your knees. You can reach the hands just beside your calves, or you can keep hold of the backs of your thighs, coming right into your boat pose, lifting the sternum, lengthening through the spine, engaging the core here. Be strong only for a moment. Once again, embracing the wiggles and shakes. As you exhale, begin to one vertebrae at a time, lower all the way down towards the mat. Use your core here. Hugging the knees towards the chest, we'll grab the outer edges of the feet. Option to rock gently side to side. You can rest here or open the feet for happy baby pose. And we'll gently release. Give yourself a big hug here. Make it count. Big squeeze. And then we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands resting to your sides, palms facing up. And just taking a moment here in Savasana, a moment out of our practice, out of our day, to be fully present and aware with the body in its present, relaxed state. Checking in with the body and soaking in all the work you just did. Maybe using this time to set an intention. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. Rolling over towards our right, take a full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.